Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of your account settings. Let me begin by showing you what you can do to get to your account settings from any screen. All you need to do is click on the My Account button in the top right corner. When you click on the button, you will get taken to your account settings page. So now that we are on the account settings screen, you will see a variety of account setting menu options on the left side, with the corresponding information on the right. First we have My Account, which shows you which products you are subscribed to. In addition to that, it also shows other Indition products that can provide value like custom built forms or our mobile app. If you want to upgrade your account to a new plan, check out our video on how to upgrade your account, which will be linked in the description below. Next, we have your personal account settings, where you can go in and update your name, email, and password. Don't forget, once you change something, to click on the Save Changes button to save everything. Then we have Payment Method, which is where you would see your credit card information. After that, we have Invoices, which just shows you your monthly bills. You can have them emailed to you or download them using our Actions column to the right. Next, we have Payment Settings, which is where you can connect your Stripe and future payment processing accounts. Then Mobile Forms Settings, which is where, if you are a paid user, it gives you a couple options in regards to the Mobile Forms app. And if you are a non-paid user, then you will see the screen which you can upgrade your plan and download the app on iPhone and iPad. From there, we have the Account Access Settings, which allows you, the user, to grant permission to an Indition Forms representative to review and assist you with your account if you would like help. Below that, we have the Google Analytics settings, which will allow you to enter your Google Analytics ID to connect your Forms account to GA to get real-time analytics on your forms. Check out our video on Google Analytics in the description below to get more information. Then we have the Support tab, where you can fill out a form to get direct contact from a Forms customer service representative within 24 hours. And last but not least, you have your Logout tab. With the Logout tab, once you select it, it will log you out automatically. Also in the top right, next to the My Account button, you will have your name and a drop-down that you can click to log out. So that wraps up our quick tutorial on the account settings. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel to find out when the new video drops. We'll see you in the next one.